Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, we'll be working on a BMW. So if you have a BMW, any BMW, guys, 1 series, 2 series, 3, 4, 5 series, guys, even 6 and 7, X3, X5, guys, and you're trying to figure out if your steering angle sensor is good, if it needs to be replaced because let's say you have ABS, traction control light and a code for the steering angle sensor. We'll explain, guys, what could cause that. Now, if that sensor is not calibrated, you may get a code that you need a new sensor, but actually we'll explain what needs to be done. Stay with us, guys, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if it was helpful or if you have any recommendations. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So this is the BMW that we'll be working on. Steering angle sensor, guys, it's usually located on the steering column all the way down under the steering wheel somewhere. This is, guys, the computer that we'll be using. Let me reset it to start from the beginning so I can show you everything and you can see what we'll be doing now. This computer, guys, works on any car, not just BMW. This is amazing. We have like dealer level equipment, in your garage for every car. Check this thing out, guys. It's listed in the description of the video below and you can see where we bought ours from. Nothing sponsored here. Those are some of the makes and models that it supports and it's amazing. So now what we'll be doing, that computer, guys, this is the tablet and the programming device is actually right here. This is your programming device and you just connect it to the OBD port of your BMW. Once you do that now, guys, next step will be we'll need to turn the ignition on or you can start the car. It's up to you. So you can either start it or you can turn the ignition on. I will start it. Why? Because it's easier for me to turn the steering wheel when the car is running because the hydraulics will be working. Now I will click, guys, BMW. Here, guys, we are going to, you have two options. Manually select your vehicle or you can click automatic selection. You can read the VIN number or you can manually put it. I already have it saved, so it's quicker that way. And we click yes. This is 2005 E46 BMW 3 Series. So now, guys, it's going to take a little bit of time to load. If you have a BMW with the older connectors for car diagnostic, it's called a 20-pin connector. This computer comes with that, but our BMW does not have this one. It just has the 16-pin DLC connector. Next, we're going to go to diagnostics, control unit. We'll click chassis, and here we'll need to select AB. Let me go back. I just selected the wrong thing. We're going to go back and select the steering angle sensor. It's taking a little bit of time to load. So steering angle sensor, guys, right here. Now you can do a few things. You can calibrate your sensor, and I'll show you where, or you can see the live data, how you can test it if it's working now and see if it's off. Usually when you set your steering wheel to the front, this is like straight, like all the way straight, it says 0 degrees or -1, you will be close. And if you start turning your steering wheel, you will see the computer. Let me turn the light off, maybe you can see a little bit better. Watch now, it's changing. It's changing the degrees, so that steering angle sensor is working. To the right you have negative numbers, to the left you have positive numbers. And if you bring your steering wheel to the middle, somewhere really close to the middle, and you have a number that is way different than 0, let's say it's like -5, -10 degrees or +10, it means that your steering angle sensor is not calibrated, because it could be like that, just a little bit off, and that can throw the traction control module off. Check it out, this is like 11 degrees and that's a lot of difference, guys. So if it's not close to 0, you have to go ahead and calibrate it, and this could be done, I think it was done, let me see, under service. Then you go chassis and right here, and you just follow the instructions from the computer how to calibrate your ABS, now your steering angle sensor under the ABS module. Now right here, connection speed sensor, ventilation, adjustment sensors. Let me see now. Press steering angle sensor right here. And steering angle sensor matching. Okay, you can see you can calibrate it, or if you install the new one, you will have to match it. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having problems with your steering angle sensor. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.